Is your gas furnace 12 years or older? If you answered yes, you should begin preparing to replace it. Are you constantly changing your home's temperature? An old furnace may be causing uneven temperatures throughout your home. A new gas furnace combined with a new air conditioning system can help save you up to 50% on your overall energy costs. If you are considering a major repair on a system over 10 years old, you should use caution. We offer financing that isn't based on your credit. Instead, it is based off your home's equity. Whether you decide to repair or replace your air conditioner, our comfort specialists are here to help. They will get it right the first time.